It's been a while since I've done a video because, when COVID-19 came, I stopped doing video because it was forbidden to promote travel at this time. And now we can finally go out a little bit and explore mostly our own backyard because we can't go international right now. So it's a perfect excuse to go out and explore our own backyard, which is fantastic. Hence, where we're going to now. So look who's in the house with me. We're back.
It's me again!
We're in trouble. It's back.
I'm driving, watch out!
Wait, the last time I went somewhere with Kat, we ended up here.
Well, it'd be nice if you could train him to bring you glasses of water.
Kathryn will train to bring her bottles of wine.
There you go. That's the whole part of being the god donkey.
All right, are you ready?
Come on, bro.
Go for it. Go for it. Hello. Hello.
It's because he saw your selfie.
See?
Show off.
Yeah, let's just start over.
Where are we going to this time?
We are heading into Norfolk County, Ontario. So this is Ontario's garden. But we're not going to go pick berries and we're not going to go pick any flowers. We're going to pick wine and beer.
Picking wine and beer. Does it grow in a tree? All this time I could be picking beer from off of a tree?
Go to the beer tree.
What?
We're doing a socially distanced beer and wine tour with Ride the Bine.
The first stop is Bonnie Heath, and we're gonna go try some ice wine and we're gonna try some ciders. Now I heard through the grapevine, this person over here, she told me that the ciders are amazing here, so I'm looking forward to trying that. I just remember I can't, how am I supposed to drink this? I need to take the mask off. All right, 1 second.
I think you guys are really going to like this one.
Oh yeah, I love blueberries.
I should have recorded that.
Very delicious. What do you think, guys?
Oh, babe. Also very cool.
Not only can you buy wine and cider at Bonnie Heath, but they have a ton of lavender products here too. And because it's the Instagrammable thing to do, you can go pose for your photo in the lavender farm. Amanda is our local expert with Ride the Bine today for our socially distant wine, beer, and cider tour.
We are continuing our social distancing tour of, stop it, Kat. We're continuing our social distancing tour of Norfolk County. And now we're heading up to the burning kiln. And let's see what's going on here.
It's stop number 2 on our tour with Ride the Bine today. I somehow keep ending up in one of the best wineries in all of Ontario.
27 acres on what was once a tobacco farm. They offer 4 reds and 4 whites. The Burning Kiln is also known for hosting outdoor events, but thanks to COVID, that got canceled. So what they did is they converted their wedding reception area into a tasting area to accommodate social distancing. Brilliant. I personally picked up a bottle of the stick shaker. Those notes of butterscotch and hints of toasted almonds are simply irresistible. The next stop on the Ride the Bine tour is lunch at Can Heat Food and Wine, a few steps away from the Burning Kiln. And can I just take a moment to say that I've never tasted a burger quite as outstanding as this lamb burger. I'll never forget it.
Next up on the Ride the Bine tour is Hometown Brew. Yes.
And it's actually on the grounds of Long Point Eco Adventures. So I've actually stayed here with my kids before in one of their glamping tents, but we're here to try their beer now. Here we go.
Here we find ourselves at Innisphere Wines. It's currently a working vegetable farm and winery, and it's the lowest elevation farm in all of Norfolk County. But it happens to have the best views of the inner bay of Lake Erie and Long Point. We got to sample their dry Riesling, Sauvignon Blanc, and the gray area, which is a lightly pressed Pinot Noir. Red grape, but produced as a unique white wine.
So the final stop on the Ride the Bine tour is the Uncle Tom's Cedar Keg. So it's like a farmer's market. So we are going to go inside and grab some stuff.
We have people who are expecting on our tours. We take $20 off their tour price and we bring them along a bottle of the sparkling. And they have wine flavors like bubbly blonde.
Thank you for watching this video. Get out there and explore what's in your backyard. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.
I just noticed that there's a problem.
What?
My internet signal isn't that strong.
Are you trying to upload at the same time?
No, I'm just like, why? Like, how far into the wilderness are we that the internet's not working that well? That's not good. How are we supposed to survive without internet? Ugh.